Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making this adorable little kite for my daughter's room, and I made this out of her little onesie that she doesn't use anymore, as well as two little bibs. So if you're interested in how I made this, just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with our bibs, and I'm just taking them and overlapping them slightly so that I can fold them in half and cut out our kite shape, and I'm just doing it very roughly here. Then we're going to set that aside and take our onesie, lay it flat just like so, and put our little bib kite on top of it. And I want to try to use the little pink bows there, that's why I placed it right there. And I'm going to cut out the first layer. We're going to need two pieces, so I'm cutting out the first first piece, then cutting out the second piece. So in total, we'll have two pieces of our onesie and then two pieces of the bib. That makes one piece. Then I'm going to sandwich the little bib pieces in between the two onesie pieces. And then the last item that you're going to need is a ribbon or a string of some sort. I'm going to insert it at the bottom of our kite and just sew it all around. So 4 sides of the kite, including the ribbon. And then I'm just making a small triangle at the bottom to make sure that I go over the ribbon a few times so it doesn't just slip off. So the kite is pretty much done, and the last thing we're gonna need is our little bows, and I'm gonna make 3 little bows out of the sleeves of the onesie that we used. And I just cut out 3 pieces, maybe about 1 inch in height, and all I'm doing is folding the top and the bottom and just sewing it onto the ribbon. And I'm just doing a little square here, as you can see, but you could just do a few lines or even glue it on. And then the very last thing we're going to do is take a little piece of ribbon and make a knot and sew it onto the back of the top of our kite so that we can hang it on the wall. And that's all done. That's our little kite from our onesie. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked it. Please let me know if you plan to do this, if you did make this. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. That's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.